Down, middle, up. Down, middle, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Power. Yan ang ginagawa namin yan.
Okay, up.
Yan ang Philippine Combat Martial Training.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yan o.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8.
Yan ang Philippine Combat Martial Arts. Yan kami gawin. Pagpaligulat siya.
Just over it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Outside box. 1,
Yan si Sir Red.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inside block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Home man. Home man block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Ay, si Sis Jennifer.
8. Loose.
Trixie. Si Sir Rene. Ayan.
1,
Ayan si Sir Donald.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Loose. Double X. Retract.
Ayan si Sis Trixie.
1,
Power ah.
2,
Tarat.
3,
Galing.
4, 5,
Ayan, si Power ulit. Oh.
7.
Master na yan. Black belt yan. Nakikita niyo kami lahat dyan. Mamaya.
2,
Ayun si Ma'am Cherry.
3, 4,
Unicorn na rin yung si Ma'am Cherry. Member natin din yan.
7, 8. Loose. Spear hand. To the heart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Ayan si Sir Rene. Rene?
7, 8. Loose. Together.
Sina? Ray.
Ray, si Sir Ray. Yan yung aming sponsor namin dito. Si Master Ray. Ang yung sponsor namin.
3, 4,
Amerikanong Pilipino.
5, 6,
Masakit ang katawan.
So, ano po eh. Lahat